This is a computer that I recently traded, and one thing that I found interesting was the box. I started to go through stuff and get ready to recycle some stuff, and I thought I never really took apart these boxes now that are made with paper instead of a plastic insert. And so I started pulling it up, and I was like, well, I don't know, maybe this will make for an interesting video, a short one, hopefully. First thing I recognized, these boxes are really strongly assembled. So I figured I'd just quickly do a video of just tearing this thing open and seeing what's underneath the pretty white cardboard here. So I already started, and as I kind of pull this apart, there seems to be beneath all this cardboard is this base that seems to hold up this pretty top piece where the power adapter and the USB-C cable goes into. And then beneath it is just this hollow frame, which looks like it's quite a bit of engineering going on here, where there's die cuts. It seems like these pieces are pushed back to hold this whole thing up. But then underneath this, can I get beneath this? Let's see if I can pull all this out now. I just voided the warranty of the box. If I pull all this out, this is all going to be recycled, but I just wanted to play with it. Let's see what's in here first. Especially on the side here. Like, what makes this so rigid? And it seems like it's more cardboard. Yeah. This is more cardboard on the side. Let's get this like this. This kind of, it's like a skin that has the, I don't know if you can see this, but there's the outside of the box, right? The pretty white outside of the box. And then there's this thing that's taped around on the inside. And is that anything? Well, you can smell the adhesive a little bit now. Probably in the factory where this is made. But if I pull this all the way out without knocking everything off my bench here, I can get, here's the shell of the, here's the skin, so to speak, of the box. And what they overlay various things on. This was a 16-inch MacBook Pro, whatever. And then inside is this. So there's cardboard base, and then it's all cardboard on the sides, and it's taped together with cellular tape. You can see it here, or strand tape, I guess. Is that coming up? Yep. Trying to make sure I stay on camera. I have a habit of not. And then there's, oh, it's just layers. Look at that. It's just layers of this cardboard to provide that rigid support to keep the computer protected when it's being shipped. But it's all cardboard. Nothing in here is plastic. There's no foam, except for the bag. I think no, that's paper now too. I don't know what is left that is plastic. Maybe that little bag. I think there was a bag with some of the, the goodies. Well, really, it's just, no, that was paper too. I don't know what's left that's plastic. This is probably going to be hard to get up. No, it's coming apart. There's something on the top of the box. I was saying, as I jump around like a squirrel here, that I don't know what is left that is plastic in the boxes of Apple's product boxes. I was going to say that it was the little thing that I guess the Apple stickers are plastic, but that thing that holds it is actually paper. It has a little paper backing on it now too. And I think the thing that wraps all the USB-C wiring and the power adapter is also paper. So this, I'm not sure when they shipped it over. There might be some things that shipped that were 2019 products that had this, but actually this is a 2020, I think. I forget what this one was. It's not an M1, it's an Intel-based thing, so I traded it in. Not just because of that, many other things. But I was talking and then not saying what I was doing when I peeled off the inside layer here, the pretty inside layer, and then there's like something that's glued to this reinforced cardboard on the inside that is like a padding, I guess, almost. Like it's soft. It's definitely softer feeling, like it's paper. This feels more papery. and less rigid cardboard. There's like so many different types of cardboardy things in here. It's really interesting. This is not what I was expecting. I thought I would get halfway through this and be like, this isn't worth a video, and just kind of end it. It really isn't. I need something to cut this tape. Yeah, I'm using my Zurion cutters really. Oh, those aren't the Zurion cutters. Those are the cheap knockoffs. Those are fine. Oh, it's perforated. I just want to see what this thing at the bottom is. That's paper too. I thought this texturized stuff felt like it was like might have been a fabric-y thing, but it's, nope. It's also paper. So everything in here is cardboard and paper. The whole thing. But my goodness, what an amount of whatever engineering goes into making these boxes is crazy. It's a lot of stuff in here to make a box. And I gotta say, it's not like a waste of materials. I mean, all this stuff is recyclable, and it is not foam. And just imagine all the other stuff you pull out of any other product you buy that's foam, got plastic bags, and things that are like holding parts of the box together. There's already a box, but it seems like what Apple's managed to do, or whoever designed this for Apple, is to build that all into the thing that houses the actual product when it's in transit, which is pretty neat. There are some cards inside here. I just tore one, but there's one over here that had a Y92666 and some kind of marking on it. I'm not sure if that means anything specific, but interesting. It appears in a few different places on the box. There's a couple on this side. If I push this all the way over here. Interesting. I think that's about it. The serial number is that a serial number? No, it's just a reference number for the box or something. Well, that's it. Hope you like this. If you did, give it a thumbs up, like and subscribe, and check that notification thing. I'm gonna go recycle this. Thanks for watching. Take care.